A lot of people have the wrong understanding about emotions. And so let's work on that in this video. A lot of people believe that emotions are a part of who they are. They identify with their emotions. So a lot of people say, I am a happy person. I am a joyful person. I am a fearful person. A lot of people identify with their emotions. But in reality, emotions are nothing but an alert system, a message system to let you know what's going on. So if you're doing something that's good and positive and bring a lot of energy, positive energy, your brain's gonna let you know we're happy. If you're doing something that's stressful, your brain, your body, everything gonna say, hey, no, we're stressed, right? Something fearful, no, we need to stay away from that, because your brain is designed to move you towards what makes you happy, what feels good, what keeps you safe, and away from what is dangerous, what is bad, and can lead to something worse. Your brain is trying to protect you. But a lot of people allow their message, their alert system, to dictate their life, to control their life. And I'm gonna give you a metaphor of what that looks like. So imagine I'm driving, right? And all of a sudden the check engine light comes on. A lot of people, using this metaphor, will put their hands off the wheel and say, oh, the check engine light on, what happens, happens. Instead of saying the check engine light is on, and I may feel the car shaking, but I'm not taking my hand off the wheel. I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna go get it checked out. I'm gonna go do something about this. This is the actual appropriate way to approach your emotions. Your emotions do not run your life. Your emotions tell you what's going on in your mind, in your body, and you have the power to figure out what you're gonna do